Welcome to the News Hour. India belongs to her citizens, not to the political goons and the political hooligans who go about vandalizing schools and colleges to make a point. Not to the hooligans who beat up innocent people on the streets or threaten the police into submission. Today, the citizens of India put these goons, these hooligans to shame. Kolkata leading from the front, where just 24 hours back, a premier institute, the Presidency University, was ransacked by political goons who seem to have no fear of the Mamata Banerjee government.
Political goons barging into Bengal's most prestigious educational institution, damaging property, threatening students. This was not just another case of political violence. It was an attack on a sanctuary of knowledge, something that the students were unwilling to forgive.
The students were attacked. That was the worst part of it. Like, how can the person who are the guardians of the law, they are not helping the helpless students?
Presidency College is like a mother to us, not like, is a mother to us. Therefore, any assault on the Presidency College, to whichever political party we belong, we shall protest.
This man, a TMC councillor, spotted here at the college entrance, seen leading the crowd inside the college. But Partha Basu wants the nation to believe he is innocent.
हम बोल रहे हैं हमारा एक फुटेज इनसाइड में दिखाए तो हम परसेंट से अभी रेजिग्नेशन दे देगा
And clearly cornered by the mounting protests, Mamata chose to field her minister to defend the government.
I cannot understand why the Trinamool will arson in their party offices. Maybe the first day, emotionally, few people have done it.
The reign of terror is continuing throughout the state. Trinamool Congress supporters have been on the rampage across the state.
The voices of protesters even ringing loud in the national capital, with both the left and the Congress staring into the Mamata government.
It's only the height of vandalism and anarchy. And this is not the sort of politics that at least Bengal should be tolerating.
But West Bengal is not a case in isolation. A cop was thrashed by MLAs in Maharashtra for doing his job. An honest DSP was murdered in UP in full public view.
हर व्यक्ति की, हर राजनीतिक दल की ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि जो राजनीतिक संवाद है उसे सभ्य और शिष्टाचार के तहत आगे चलाया जाए.
She took charge of Bengal after 34 years of left rule with a promise to unleash change. But that promise has been cruelly shattered. And now the anger in the citizens has boiled over. And they are not ready to let goons own India. Bureau Report, Times Now.